and all. Run it, you know. Arrived in Gambia 3 days back, you know, it's for sale, eh? Yeah, man. 4 passengers, you know. A cool one, petrol, man. Going for 185,000. Cool one. Check. Check it. Come here. Check the body is cool, you know. Run it. Yeah? It is for sale. Check here. Come. Check inside, man. Everything is clean. Clean. See? Seats are comfortable. And then everywhere is clean. Let me on it. See? Check the Check. Everything clean. The car clean. It is for sale, you know. Link up, you know. 790-5502-303-7883. Follow us at Buy Car in Gambia on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, anywhere, man. Yeah, man. Buy Car in Gambia.